Everyone online keeps saying AI is going to replace writers, creators, maybe even YouTubers entirely. But after spending weeks actually using these tools, not just playing around with them, but using them for real work, I noticed something kind of weird. Most AI writing still sounds fake. Like, you read one paragraph and you just know a robot wrote it. The sentences are too clean, too dramatic, and somehow everything sounds exactly the same. So I wanted to test something properly. Not which AI is smarter, not which one has more features. Just one simple question. Which one actually writes like a real human being? For the past few days, I used ChatGPT and Claude for everything. YouTube scripts, emails, storytelling, rewriting boring text to make it sound more natural. The first thing I tested was script writing, because that's what most creators care about right now. I gave both AIs the exact same prompt and asked them to write a short YouTube intro. ChatGPT went first, and honestly, it sounded impressive at first glance. Energetic, punchy, strong hooks. But after reading it twice, something felt off. It was too polished. Like every single line was trying to grab your attention at the same time. You know those intros that sound like a movie trailer? Yeah, that vibe. Then I read Claude's version. Completely different energy. It felt calmer. More like an actual person explaining something rather than trying to optimize engagement. It wasn't perfect either, but it felt easier to just listen to, and that matters. Because viewers can tell when something sounds forced, especially now when half of YouTube already sounds AI generated. The more I used ChatGPT, the more I realized the problem wasn't always the tool. Most of the time, the output depends on how you talk to it. Lazy prompt, generic output. Honestly, fair enough. But the moment I started getting specific, make this sound casual, avoid motivational phrases, write like a normal conversation, the results got way better. Suddenly, the scripts felt less robotic and actually usable. So if you've tried AI writing and thought it was trash, your prompt might be the real issue. Just saying. Still, Claude had one advantage I kept noticing over and over. Long paragraphs flowed better. Transitions between ideas felt smoother. When I asked it to rewrite an awkward sentence, it usually nailed it faster. It's almost like Claude focuses more on readability, while ChatGPT focuses more on speed and creativity. And speed is exactly where ChatGPT feels stronger. Brainstorming titles, video ideas, content angles, it's really good at that. Sometimes I'd ask for one idea and walk away with 5 usable ones, which is great until you spend an hour deciding between all 5 and upload nothing. For creators who upload a lot, that speed matters. Overthinking kills productivity faster than anything else. I also tested both on rewriting human written text, and this is where it got really obvious. Claude was better at keeping the original tone without over-dramatizing everything. ChatGPT sometimes added extra excitement where it wasn't needed. Not every time, but enough to notice. Like it really wanted your grocery list to sound inspiring. And that's probably why a lot of people feel like AI writing sounds fake. These tools try so hard to sound impressive that they stop sounding real. Oh, before I forget, I also run a second channel called TubeX 2.0. Completely different vibe over there. Live trading, forex, crypto, all of that stuff. So if you're into trading or just curious about that world, go check it out. Links in the description. It's newer, so any support there genuinely means a lot. Okay, back to it. After all of this, I don't think there's one clear winner. And honestly, I think that's the right answer. The smarter move is using both together. ChatGPT when you need speed, ideas, or structure. Claude to smooth everything out and make it sound more human. That combo worked better than relying on just one. And maybe that's the real takeaway here. AI isn't magically replacing creativity. It's just helping people move faster. The creator still matters. The ideas still matter. No matter how good these tools get, viewers can feel the difference between content made with effort and content made on autopilot. Both ChatGPT and Claude are genuinely powerful right now. More powerful than anything that existed just a few years ago. And the wild part, they're only getting started.